Yeah, I finally had a good month on Etsy and I want to celebrate it because I made more than $1,000 on it. And yes, I'm celebrating because it's pretty much passive income for me. I haven't worked in that month. It's all way back when I started. All the labor I did then pays off. If you're new to my channel, I sell digital products on Etsy, printables in the productivity space since May 2023. And here on my channel, I document my performance on Etsy. I do that every single month because it's just fun and it's interesting. So you can actually go back to my first month on Etsy and have a look what the performance was then. I have a playlist so you can literally watch 1 month after another. And yeah, in today's video, I want to talk about my 21st month on Etsy, so almost 2 years on Etsy. And I want to talk a little bit about, all the numbers. And don't get me wrong, I can feel on Etsy what's going on in the world right now. It's not looking pretty, but January 2025, the month I'm talking about in today's video, was really good for me. And I will also tell you a little bit why, but we will also go through the numbers, how many views, how many orders, how much revenue did I make, and also at the very end, I will show you an overview about the last 10 months to see a little bit of the difference and also talk about my profit. So make sure to stay tuned until the end. Before we dive into all the numbers, make sure to grab my free Etsy book where I talk how to start with digital products on Etsy. It has 150 pages, so it is very detailed. You can just follow everything in there and start your Etsy shop today. There's a link in the description down below. I'm also in the middle of creating a little mini course, Change Your Life with Digital Income Streams. So there is another link in the description below where you can actually put yourself on the wait list. And as soon as I'm finished with creating this little mini course, which will be basically just a few videos to explain a little bit what are the most profitable income streams, how to get started, what mistakes to avoid, and how to quickly get started. There is a link in the description down below. Let's get started. So we start with the visits in January 2025, which were 4,502. And that is actually an increase to last month, which was December. I think it was over 1,000 more visits. And bear in mind, I haven't done much different. So it was just the time a little bit. January is a very good month for me for my productivity printables because people are very motivated. They want to make a change at the beginning of the new year. They're looking for tools and resources to get started, and my shop is basically really good for that. So I think that's why more people looked at my shop and bought more products than usual. We had 228 orders. And you can see it's still less than the year before, which was a really, really good year. It has definitely decreased, but it is an increase to last month. And I had approximately 60 orders more in that month than the previous month. And you can see 17 orders in one day was the highest, or let's have a look. Yeah, 17 was the highest. So that's pretty good. Conversion rate kind of is the same. Yeah. 5.1% is the same as the month before. It's interesting to see the conversion rate matters in some capacity, but it still can be, the same kind of conversion rate and your orders and revenue fluctuates. So it's not 100% an indication for, a better process or a better month. And then we have revenue, which was 12,912 Swedish krona. I say that in every video. It is unfortunately not US dollars. There's a bit of a conversion here, but it means 12,912 Swedish krona on 1,206 US dollars. So over 1,000 in revenue I made in January, which is really good. Again, not as great as last year, but I still want to celebrate this. We can see here 888 Swedish krona, which is probably around $80. And here we have around $90 a day. So it's not looking too bad. Let's now have a look how much I spent on ads. And here is my Etsy ads performance. We're starting with views, almost 20K, which is more than last time, but you will see I spent more, I think. Then we have the clicks, 656 clicks, which is also pretty much 200 clicks more than last month. And you can see there's a little bit of a dip, which I'm going to explain in a second. Orders, 44 orders. That's also double the orders from last month, with one day 4 orders from Etsy ads, 4 orders from Etsy ads. And then I want to jump actually to spend first to see how much I spend. So I kind of switched to $5 a day, which is much more than I normally do. I had a long period of time where I only spent $1, but I feel at the moment Etsy ads are working actually quite well for me. And here you see sometimes 3 kind of days switching to $1, and that is a weekend. And I have experienced that the weekend is just slower. People are not really buying. Most of my printables, I would say, are just, getting things done. And the weekend is just there for, chill out a little bit. So yeah, I normally, when I not forget to, switch them to $1, I'm not switching them off anymore. I actually just reduce them to $1. I will do that and then pick them up on Sunday evening or Monday, morning. So that's why you can see a little bit of a dip here. And then I had one day where I just, went for it, because if sometimes I can see that a day is really good in ad spend, so people are actually buying, we can see orders again. Here I had 4 orders. So I'm trying to maybe see if I can maximize that a little bit more. If I spend more ads, maybe I can reach more people. So I just did a little bit of an experiment, but I can't really tell now if I had more orders, because I did only spend $8.44, and I'm sure I put in $10, so the double. So I must have stopped it because it didn't really work. I mean, it's just an experiment I like to do sometimes. But here now we can see a revenue is $366. So this is all in dollars, because ad performance always shows in dollars, which is really nice. The only thing I have discovered a little bit is it doesn't really consider your discount on your product. So normally I do have a 30%, 40% discount on my products, but it will show like the full amount. So that is a little bit misleading, I would say. So the revenue might be a little bit less here because of the discount I'm giving on my shop on every single product. But at least you can see I made more revenue than I spent, maybe breaking even. It's probably more than breaking even, but it is just, for me, Etsy ads is a way to get more eyeballs on my products, on my shop. And sometimes I see that people are getting into my products, they buy one product, maybe then even just a few hours later they buy another product, or a few days later they buy another product. Or what I also have is that people buy the whole shop kind of bundle, so they can actually buy everything in my shop for a higher price, obviously. And that also indicates that people like my products and they're browsing around. And yeah, ads are basically for me to get eyeballs on my shop and, get people interested in my digital products. And now I just want to show you quickly an overview of the last 10 months and how much profit I also made this month. And here you can see an overview with month 21 at the very end. You can see all the numbers I just mentioned in this video. The revenue of $1,200 and the profit was $800, $806. And you can also see that I spent much more on ads, $143. And this in brackets is offsite ads, which I track. You know, normally actually it wasn't really much in offsite ads, but actually this month I had 16 purchases from offsite ads, which is actually higher than the past months, which is really good. Offsite ads, you don't really have any control over it. You can basically just switch it on or off. And I have it just on because honestly it's quite good. I like offsite ads, and these offsite ads normally, you know, they're on Google, they're on other people's like blogs and websites. And when someone clicks on it and actually purchases something, you do pay something, but you can see I only paid $4 for 16 orders, so it's a really low percentage. I think these are actually much better than Etsy ads. I wish, you know, with Etsy ads you wouldn't pay per click but per purchase. I think that would be much nicer. But yeah, we had 44 orders from ads and 16 from offsite ads. And you can see the last month looked a little bit lower, actually lower than $1,000 per month in revenue. May and April and March looked much better in the past year. And now, yeah, we had a better month compared to the recent months, which is really good. But then again, I'm honestly, of course, I feel a bit sad that it's not as high, but honestly, I feel very, very good about it because, as I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, it's mainly passive. The most amount of work I put in at the very beginning when I started my shop, probably the first 6 months, I was sitting almost every day creating products. I have created a new product recently as well and spent some time on it. But it hasn't sold yet, so I will see. Normally it takes a few months, 1 or 2 months to, you know, get, you know, the right keywords and stuff circulated. So I will see and report back on my new printable. It's a planner, so it's many printables in one bundle. But apart from that, I haven't done much, you know, in the past year or so. So thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!